Hey, what's going on YouTube? I'm going to take you around our shop today. This is a shop update video. Last time we were just moving a bunch of stuff over here and had quite a bit of work to do before we started moving more of the stuff over. So let's take you around today and show you what we've done and where we're going to go from here. Alrighty. So, like I said, the guy I'm sharing the shop with, he's got a tree service, so his side is kind of this whole side, and he's still moving a bunch of stuff over. His chipper, his truck, a lot of his saw equipment. Kind of see his setup over here. Sorry if the camera is trying to adjust. I'm trying to use my Android tablet for this video. This is a hot box, so what I mean by that is it rains a lot here in Oregon, so we can hang gear in here and basically put a heater in. It's got a water system with a temperature reader, so if it gets too hot it shuts off. If it gets really hot it'll put a little water in there just as a safety precaution. Still moving a bunch of stuff over here. Like I said last time, this far room right there is going to likely be a paint booth or powder coating room. We're going to tear down this back old bathroom. We're going to see we're not quite sure what we're going to do with that yet. A lot of work to be done. We haven't even gotten to that. Here's a loft. I think we decided that we're going to put a game table up there and maybe a projector for some of our work breaks so we can play board games or do whatever. We set up an exhaust system here so we can run vehicles inside. It goes out the door right over there. Brought a couple of my toys over. My Polaris and my old Suzuki 3-cylinder 2-stroke and my BMW R60. I've got a first start video of that. I just started it up. It hadn't been running, not very good grammar. Hasn't ran since the 1990s, and got that fired up a couple weeks ago. Pretty fun. I used to ride this old Suzuki a little bit in college, and it's loud. There's my Jeep, and there's my steam engine. So, still moving a little bit of stuff in. We've got a security system we're setting up. That's where we're keeping all the chemicals. Like I said last time, this area over here, that's going to be our dirty shop area, so that's where all of our woodworking stuff, metalworking stuff is going to be. Probably going to put a welding screen up, welding curtain along this wall, and then back towards this way to seal that area off. I got all my shop tools, my mechanic section like I was talking about last time here. Still moving stuff in, figuring out where we're going to power stuff. Got all my other tools, and back here we have what we're going to turn into a kiln for drying wood. And then here is the shop that we have just recarpeted, repainted, relighted, pretty much everything. So it's a lot better. And this is where we're going to do the drone stuff and the GIS work. We're waiting to move our desktop computers over. So, kind of what we do a little bit here is something we do is on plantation timberland is counting and identifying every single tree that wants to load there. Same thing for agriculture is just a side interesting stuff we do is yield estimation. And then we have a battery charging table here. So you can see I'm charging a few batteries. And the 3D printer right there. Good old Flash Forge, and make some drone parts with it. Haven't set everything up yet, but got a lot over here, and still haven't gotten around to this back room yet. We've got a window that's shattered in there and it needs to get rebuilt. That's where my office is going to be. And then in here, I think we've decided that this is going to be a bunk room. So if we stay late at the shop, sorry for the lighting in here. It's not lighted yet, but it's about 10 foot by 6 feet, 6 or 7 feet. So it's enough room to put a little bunk bed in there and crash. That'll be a fun project. But we've come a long way. So more to come soon as we set up the rest of the shop and the workbenches. Get all of our other equipment over here and get our businesses rolling. So thanks for watching, and I hope that you guys like what you see in here. And this is kind of fun showing you updates for this. So feel free to subscribe or like or whatever you want to do, or leave hate comments, whatever. Doesn't matter to me. So here you go.